As most of you know, we have a lot of rain in Seattle, and a couple of weeks ago, we had 4 or 5 straight days of heavy rains. And I realized one of my walls, water was coming in. So I went upstairs to the rooftop deck, and there were, a couple of possible locations that water was coming in from and leaking in. And so I Googled and looked for flat roofing solutions and found Guardian. It was a good experience from start to end. I believe I called or I filled out the web form online, and I got a call back very promptly and got myself scheduled. And my rep was Nathan. Nathan was very professional. When he was running a little behind, he actually gave me a heads up and told me that he was running late, without me sitting there and wondering what happened. And when he came, he put on booties. He kept my place clean. I walked him around the upper floor to show where the leak was, and then brought him to the rooftop. And he had the proper equipment with him. He did a diagnosis, and he didn't do a diagnosis in 5-10 minutes. He spent a really good, solid amount of time up on the deck, really, looking into every nook and cranny, took a video and explained what happened. And he wasn't trying to sell me the most expensive product either. He gave me options for different types of material, even an option to reuse some of the material that I had if I wanted to. And he talked me through the different financing options. So I was very happy that, I wasn't sold the highest product that was out there. I would definitely recommend Guardian to my family and friends.